Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Xbox Series X controller Bluetooth pairing reset easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, ensure your Xbox Series X controller is turned off. To turn it off, press and hold the Xbox button for about 5 seconds. Next, navigate to your Windows PC, smartphone, or tablet where you want to pair the controller. On your device, access the Bluetooth settings for connection. With your device open, locate the Bluetooth menu and ensure Bluetooth is enabled. Now, return to your controller. Press and hold the pairing button on the controller for 3 seconds. The pairing button is located at the top of the controller, next to the USB-C port. Observe the Xbox button on the controller, it will start flashing rapidly. This indicates the controller is in pairing mode. Now, go back to your device's Bluetooth settings and search for new devices. Look for Xbox Wireless Controller in the list of available devices. Select it to initiate the pairing process. Once paired, the Xbox button will turn solid. If you need to reset the Bluetooth pairing on the controller, turn it off again. Then, press the pairing button once more for about 3 seconds. Once the Xbox button flashes, repeat the pairing steps on your device. This should successfully reset the Bluetooth connection. Your controller is now ready for use with your device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.